today we're going to be doing the hair regrowth and scalp treatment that you've been doing here all this while.
Yes.
Okay, so are you excited?
I'm actually very excited about it. I can't wait for the results.
So what are we waiting for?
Okay,
let's start.
do it. So today I'm doing the hair regrowth and scalp treatment. So this treatment is very important because I've been having problems with hair fall. I'm having hair fall due to stress and poor sleep after winning the Miss Universe Malaysia. Due to stress and also lack of sleeping, I kind of need help from Dr. Glojas for hair regrowth and scalp treatment. I've been coming here for quite a long time and I'm very happy with the results. Hi everyone, Francisca here and I'm your Miss Universe Malaysia 2020. So right now I'm at Glojas SMART Clinic and I just did my hair regrowth and scalp treatment and I'm very happy with the result thanks to Dr. Glojas. I've been going through a lot of hair loss due to stress and also lack of sleeping. So tell me, what kind of treatment did we did just now?
Oh yeah, we have done the hair rejuvenation and then we also did low light laser therapy.
Okay, so thank you so much to Dr. Glojas. I really appreciate the treatment and I don't actually feel any pain. So thank you, Dr. Glojas.
No.
Have a good day.